40 on this one, Zach? Do you have the same idea, Scotty?
Yeah, basically. That's a good plan.
I'll go set the GRCS up over there.
Yep.
Yeah.
If you guys hear any popping or cracking, just drop it and run.
True. I'm just gonna tighten it now. Keep holding it. Try one more.
Yeah,
I'll do one more.
Okay.
That should be good. Beauty. But
Like way up there.
oh yeah.
Like that's, I thought, like good
Yeah.
enough, eh? Not
Oh,
the
yeah.
low one, but then one up there.
Well, I
that
can
opens
only
up.
go up like 5 more feet anyways, right?
Exactly. So
Yeah.
I was like, you don't really need to.
Yeah, beauty.
So, yeah.
And then block maybe to the one on the right. I can put my rope in.
You can?
Basil tie.
Yes, sir.
Should have wore a t-shirt today.
Didn't you wear a t-shirt, eh?
Nah,
Rookie.
rookie mistake.
Did you watch the game last night?
Oysters?
Yeah.
No, I didn't. I saw highlights though.
Yeah, like into something beefy, right? So we can at least cut it away.
In the series.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, in the series.
Last year I bet $100 on Florida to win in Game 7. This year I think I'll do. No, I bet on Edmonton.
Oh, I was like, oh, dude, you must have made some money then. I know, I like watched the first goal in like the first minute, and I was like, oh, okay, that's good. And then I watched the highlights and I woke up after we watched me, and then I was like, oh, Florida came back. Like,
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I would have just tied off the quarter after.
True. And then just have the rope running on my rope.
yeah, exactly. You never done that technique before, rope on rope?
True. True that. From here? You're up there. I would climb on it. Andre going up. Shoot. Oh, that piece is loose. I'll clean up some of these.
Yeah, anything collateral up there?
Okay. I'm gonna throw them where that red chair is. Well,
No way? Okay.
probably just my tree.
Okay. Okay, I got this end out already. I'm gonna put a block on the butt. Yeah, if you want to, you're good.
Well,
Yeah.
another one. Oh, what a view of the river. Okay, so I'm thinking block. I'm thinking block right here.
Yeah, like that's all I asked. If they could look at the attachment and everything.
Yeah.
And yeah, go for it.
Okay. Hey?
Use the ring on that side.
Okay. I'll need a ring and a rope. Am I on here? Okay.
Dan, are you available? Yeah. I'm gonna take a rope on the end of this rope. You can stay in this yard. I'll throw my rope over the fence.
Thank you. Yeah. It just moved. True. True.
Exactly. Where's your GoPro?
It's on.
Oh, go.
Did it fall off?
Oh no, I thought you didn't have it today.
You can tighten on the porty and just tighten as much as you can.
Okay, lock it off, Andre.
Yep.
Yeah, no, I took the stretch out. I set up a mechanical advantage here. You're locked off.
Thank you. Should have done this at the start. Which side should I start cutting first? Just anything.
On your right side. Looks like most of it's all the way up here.
Okay. So my right side?
Your right.
Okay.
It just looks like most of it is caught up right here. So
Yeah.
if you do all the stuff that's not in tension,
Yeah, okay.
it should be good.
Okay. I like that setup, Zach.
Something, it's gonna pull it into the tree, but with that pulling opposite way, it should go already.
Double block. Is that saw ready? Throwing a small one down behind you.
Once that on it.
It's all done, Andre.
Thanks. Okay, I'm gonna start throwing stuff down.
Okay.
Lanyard to the piece.
Bud, I wouldn't. Oh yeah, you can tie.
What?
I just said she's creaking.
Okay.
So you know.
I have a really good tie-in though.
If anything, it's gonna go this direction.
Rotate?
No, it could rotate like a little bit,
Yeah.
but even if you're tied into it and it does that, you'll be alright.
Oh yeah, I'm not worried.
He's moved a lot.
Okay.
Yep.
I think I'll leave the middle stuff for last.
I think it'll probably start letting go if you cut that other side.
Right there?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna do that next. Or do you think last?
No. You're tied into the rigging point, eh?
Yeah. But it's backed up.
Oh, it is.
Why would it fail though? It shouldn't fail.
Shouldn't. You know what I mean?
I just want to be able to see some stuff.
I see. Okay.
Because I can't tell what's really part of this tree and what's like still attached and stuff. That's under tension.
Wait.
It just pinched my bar. Yeah.
This thing's ready.
It's ready to go?
It's gone down a lot.
Okay. I'm gonna get up above it.
Yeah. What dropped?
It's just twisting over there.
It's
damn.
rotating. Like this thing's ready to go.
So that's why, Andre, I wanted you to start on this side, finish on that side, because it's going to roll that way.
Yeah.
Go.
I'm gonna get up on top of it now.
Yeah.
Try not to lanyard into it.
Okay.
Exactly right.
Maybe I'll take these ones all off. Just take as much weight off.
Yeah, just don't cut that rope.
Yeah. Okay, below.
Clear. Careful.
Below. Below.
Clear. Yeah.
Because it's going to rotate that way, right?
This side's not going to rotate that much. It's more this side.
It's rotating this way?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. That's not ideal.
Once this goes, though, I think it'll go the opposite.
Yeah, there's so much weight there.
Yeah, like it's going to roll and it flies back to the stem.
Yeah, I got one more upper branch here.
Yep. Doing great, man. Great job. The pit's been cut. You can't deny it. Pitch sure can fly.
Okay, so even if I go on that side, the rope's not like gonna swing into me.
Like if you can reach that piece here, right?
Right here?
Yeah, I would cut that. Get it out of the way.
Okay.
I don't think that is holding a bit of weight there, so just be ready.
It's probably, this one's probably mostly in the air. It's really this one here. Just the top part, because I cut that off already.
That side's not going to go very far if this breaks loose. Yeah, nothing on it. It's so caught up that it'll slide down a bit, but not well, it's rotating this way, but once this breaks, I think it's going to go the opposite.
Yeah.
Hard to say. Might not do much.
I hope not.
Honestly, every time that I like predict this kind of stuff, I'm like over predicting always. I think it's gonna make a scratch and it's gonna move. It's just like, yeah.
I'll cut whatever's not under tension. And then this one here is probably holding some weight.
Yeah, buddy.
Fence is under me. I can throw it there if you want.
Well, just throw it wherever you need to. Yeah, man. It's easy to do. Yeah, wherever you want to.
Okay.
I would get it all in this yard, but that's just
Say that after I throw it.
it's not up for it. I said you guys were good. Oh, that's easy. Why did you know it's last? Yes. Oh, he's really working. He's got the half smile, half.
Well,
Well done. Thanks for staging that for me.
all right. All right.
Great. Let's get these cut.
Undercuts now. Oh, this one doesn't have much weight. Yeah, it does. Pinching my bar. The heck? Except this one's not tied off at all. That one's got a lot of tension. So does this one. That one's got some tension. Oh shoot, that moved. I don't, like, you think that's the next play, Zach?
Yeah, I would cut the one you're on.
Yeah, this one doesn't have too much tension. This one has a lot.
Yeah, so I would do the one with not too much.
Yeah.
And I would start with an undercut on the a lot of tension one.
Yeah.
Just slowly go, and then it might move and it might settle.
Oh, it'll move.
So that's good.
Okay. It's gonna move right now, maybe. I think I'm gonna go on that side. I don't know, probably a bit safer there.
Like to cut that?
Yeah.
So I would go up.
Yeah, gonna go up here.
Hear me out.
Yeah.
So a fish lives in the water, and it uses water to breathe.
Yeah.
Us humans, we breathe air, but we can see water. Do you think when fish are out in the water, they can see air?
See it? This is when I think the best about these questions, Scotty.
I think this is the perfect time to ask this kind of question.
Keep them coming. Okay. I'm guessing it's gonna go free now. Is that... I mean, it shouldn't rotate that much if we have it tied off, right?
Yeah, and it's still attached.
Yeah.
It might tear off, it might roll, it might just not move at all. I think it's,
Okay, cutting.
yeah.
Yeah. To be honest, don't really know what happened, but
Choice on your
right? I don't know, just got brushed a little bit. Didn't cut anything. All right. Yeah, that piece is still attached too. Do you want me to cut all that off and then release it? Or what?
I'm honestly wondering now if I should release my end and kind of get this swing and stuff over.
I could get as much weight off as possible if you want.
Yeah, if we let this go, then we know, like, there's no unpredictability anymore. I think I'm gonna cut my end, alright?
Okay, my turn to watch.
Right on.
Damn.
Hey, so on help, we can get the tips to go down first, do that, and then we'll start doing the wood after. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't stay up here now. Yeah. So I can come down. Come down, and then what we'll do is we'll lower the tip down, keep Andre up there because he's got some cleanup to do. I'm gonna prune this guy off over here. This busted branch here. Probably slipped on, did it?
Felt a little bit of movement in my stem, but whoa. Oh, it's still kind of attached. Okay, gonna start chunking this out.
Yeah, go ahead, Andre.
Djokovic is playing tomorrow, semifinals. Yannick Sinner, big game. Yeah.
It's actually called a match.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's right. This branch survived somehow.
Love it. Good job. That's lateral. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's still a little bit caught up there in my tree.
I see.
That's why it's still moving like that.
Okay.
Can I just drop this, you think? No?
Look at the fence.
True.
We did so good.
True.
I thought we were like N64 back in the day.
Okay, cutting free.
Yeah.
Hello.
Is it free?
Yeah. Pretty sure. Yeah, I don't see any more attachment points.
No, you're good. So Zach, you just want to like just drop it and like land it down. Pretty
I'll clean up this silver a bit.
I just told Daniel they kind of push.
It might land on that dead branch.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, go ahead.
helping.
Daniel got it out a bit more. Oh yeah.
It's still on the dead branch, but
Yeah.
it's sliding off.
Yeah, it's sliding. Yeah. Yeah, oh yeah, you're past it now. Okay, Zachy, that's all you, my friend.
My friend. What is that sound? Oh, oh, oh.
Well done, boys.
Well done.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Is that the block?
Yeah.
Hello? Hangers are down, as far as I'm concerned.
Then we just gotta pack up our gear. I gotta go
Sick.
back up and get the rigging.
Okay.
Did you get your rigging?
Yeah. Scotty brought the rope down. I brought the ring. Rope.
Huh?
Rope. You're good.